Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, okay. That's a good. That's good. Long time after.
Yeah,
Yeah. How is in a Bangladesh weather?
the weather is normal right now because new season coming soon, winter season. So it's okay right now.
Oh, okay. Winter is finished now. Is new season coming? That's good.
No,
Or winter is coming.
yeah,
Winter is coming. Oh, that's good. That's good. And we need to also. I start this business. This is like I can put my this address, this business address. I can use for that business, and for plus for this is like you work with me. Isn't that like I need a space, just small space? It's on computer based everything on internet based. This is our business, okay? This is our business. I'm
yeah.
starting this job, okay? I am sharing for the reason you need to know like what we are doing. That's our like we are starting, but that's the people we hiring people like to go the on site to work. That's it. Like this, and another we are announcing from there also my WordPress or Shopify or anything we know about WordPress or
Basically, website
maintenance building.
design and marketing. Our service will be website design and marketing. Our focus customers is new buy or startup business, like who started their online business in recent days, or who wanted to develop their business, or also who have
Yep.
already website but they don't get the enough customers for the marketing, like SEO, social media marketing, or video marketing, promotion in the YouTube,
Mhm.
Facebook, TikTok. So basically, that will be our target customers, or main um, plan to target these people. So
Yes.
is everything ready? I think just we need to take the action.